baby fluke. Hitting the water. Is that a warning?
Yeah, go away.
He's hitting the water with his fin, yeah.
Oh, noise, that's trumpeting. Is that out of the water?
Cartwheel.
Wow.
Wow.
Upside down. Look at that.
Yeah, right.
Wow. This is. Was this the same one that was sleeping?
Yeah.
Lord. Wow.
Out there, fluke is very consistent, and even the black ones still have like maybe a white dot somewhere in the corner, like a tiny white spot. Usually you can find some marking. Very rarely they're like entirely alone. I'm pretty sure I've managed to ID this whale. This is Solar is his name, and he's a male. It's actually really funny because exactly this time of year last year, same spot, I saw Solar reaching up. So consistent in where they go. Also doesn't help he's mad because he got woke up from his nap by a big boat. But wait, there's
We haven't
more.
figured out what he's saying yet.
But wait, there's more.
So when he's got both of them,
He's lying on his
he's lying
back.
on his back,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Trying to get a
Encore, encore.
Yeah. And then he's actually making sound when he's releasing.
This is what I was trying to ask you before we left. I've been up in like Free Channel, come back exposed with the cruise.
Oh,
They
okay.
had that lodge and they all the way to lunch.
Time for a deep dive.
protein.
Black oyster patch. But like all these good specimens that have ever been looked at all this guy doesn't look he looks
Because he's still trying to keep this camera back. Oh, he's had those bears.
So same seal we saw in the river this morning.
These aren't the same. Oh,
Oh, yeah, that's the same.
this is so small.